Gates open, they're up and racing. Gold Cougat, Native Land moving up in between runners. Take Me Tonight, Born Tycoon moving up party outside. Tritanic comes next by the rail. Don Eduardo's Best. Royal Viva second last, and trading the group is Diamondane as they leave the straight and now rounding at a 3/4 mile pole. Born Tycoon takes up the running, followed by Native Land. Gold Cougat racing in third, down in fourth. Take Me Tonight, followed by Don Eduardo's Best. Tritanic, Royal Viva. And trading the group still is Diamondane. And into the backstretch they trouble. We have Born Tycoon by about 2 lengths. Native Land in second, racing in third. Gold Cougat down in fourth. Take Me Tonight, Don Eduardo's Best. Royal by the rail, Tritanic and Diamondane as they rounded the last 600. Born Tycoon maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Native Land remains in second. Gold Cougat, Royal Viva now racing in fourth. Tritanic in fifth as they swing for home. Born Tycoon this time by about 3 lengths. Royal Viva now to take second. Tritanic, Native Land, Gold Cougat, and now the stretch and leading the finish line. It's still Born Tycoon leading the field. Royal Viva, Tritanic in between runners, and finally the finish line. Tritanic, Royal Viva. Then comes Gold Cougat, Born Tycoon, and Native Land for your pentafecta.
Okay, 73185 ang ating unofficial order of arrival crossing the wire.